challenge is related to the skill and the availability. The great resignation is playing a great role and taking a hit in the technology. The other one is, of course, the changing geopolitical situations is also putting a lot of pressure in the technology leaders to make sure that they stay compliant, they keep their company safe, etc., etc. The cyber security is the other aspect which is playing on a big challenge or throwing a big challenge in front of the security IT leaders.
Primarily, there are two aspects in which technology leaders are facing challenges today. The first is that the tech world is moving a bit too fast. Again, thanks to the pandemic, we all are looking at digital, and that is creating a lot of challenges around talent. So talent management, talent retention, these are very key areas now, and without talent, we can't move forward. I think that's one area. The other area is that I think we are all moving from interventions to overall transformation program, and when we are moving to that, I think we were much more comfortable with individual interventions because those were piecemeal basis. Look at one intervention, what are the costs, what are the benefits, what are the business advantages. But now that we are looking at overall transformation, where there are synergies between those interventions, those are being leveraged, that's absolutely a new game changer. So these are the two areas I think that currently CIOs and CDOs are facing challenges around.
Cyber security is a major basic challenge for everyone now. And also when we say digital transformation projects they want to do, so how to put that? All CIOs are facing a challenge, how to put that, the ROIs for it, the time for that particular thing, outcome from that particular project are the basic challenge. But nevertheless, people are doing very well in that. And also management, nowadays all organizations are very much savvy about these things. After COVID, we have seen that management research is coming up and then giving maybe sponsoring such type of project and not talking much about the ROI. But then they have to do, and they have to go ahead with the digital transformation, with the security, and the cyber security should be there in place.
The resource is the single largest constraint, I would say. Post-pandemic, the digitalization speed has increased by leaps and bounds, and even a pawn shop would need to be digitized. So obviously, the projects are becoming challenging. The second point is the delivery. People need results in a short time. And one can't get into a technology project of 3 years. See, you can have a roadmap of 3 years, but delivery for projects has to be in a max 3 months. So getting the right products like cloud and communication. So 3 things I'll summarize. Right people, right technology or solution, and the right communication framework. All 3 are the challenges we are facing.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.